Just stepped out of Home Depot, getting these boxes. Can't wait to move. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Janine Lynette, and I'm back with another video. This video will be like a move out vlog, or like, I'm not really sure what this video is going to be titled, but I do know you guys are going to see me move in, decorate, and do all that. To an apartment, to a townhome. So let me show you the empty apartment.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know.
My God, she bought the wine, Lord jeez.
Oh, your mama.
For that too.
Oh my God.
Yes, I love all
Spend
you.
the
Your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean,
right now it's like, I'm not gonna lie, like 1, 2 a.m. This is my room right now. I'm about to try to like get it straightened out, because y'all see this shit? Why is that in the middle of the floor? That should not be in the middle of the floor. And then you see my bed? My bed should not be like that. So I don't know if y'all gonna see me, because again, look, I look a mess. My sister's supposed to do my hair tomorrow. And do you see this light? Why is that right there? It should not be right there. So I'm already up, and I'm not gonna force myself to go to sleep because I don't have to go to work tomorrow. So why not fix my room around how I want it right now? That's literally what this vlog is gonna be about. It's just me literally settling into my house, you know, redoing my room, decorating my room, and yeah, so y'all literally are just gonna see the process. So right now, y'all are literally gonna see me just like redo my room how I want it. But again, my desk is not supposed to be in here, and then my clothing rack is not supposed to be in here. But for right now, I'm gonna put it in here to make my room look complete. But I really wanted my room to look like minimal as possible.
I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
Next, you guys are gonna see me hang all these purses up, but this is the room. I do have to clean this vanity off, but these are clothes I have to put up or have to wash. These will go in that drawer over here. That's my mirror. I'm not sure if the mirror is gonna stay there or not. That is gonna actually go in this closet, so y'all gonna see me do that. Purses are hung up I actually got this hook from the dollar store, and I used it at my last apartment. And yeah, I just used it again because it's a really good purse organizer. Right now, this is what it looked like. Again, I just moved in here, so it's not gonna look the best. It's not gonna look how I want it to right now. But I do like how I low-key have a lot of space right here, which is why I kind of want to keep the mirror right here. But I know for sure I need a nightstand right there, and I want to put this mirror over there. So we have Burlington's. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we spend our money on today. So we are finally back from shopping. We kind of spent a lot of money, kind of didn't, but I didn't vlog in the store because there was so much going on, and we really needed to just get what we needed to get. So I'm going to show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all what we got right now. First things first is this. That's gonna go on this wall right here. Decoration is silver. If anybody don't know, the theme is like gray and silver. That's like the color theme. We got these. Just little diamonds, little stars. These are cute too. We got this cute clock. Look how cute this is. The cute clock. These are the curtains that we got. They're like shiny, you see. These are cute. These are gonna be hung up right here on the bay windows. The bay windows. And then we got this cute little pumpkin. See, this pumpkin's not cute. Some of the extras that I got personally was, this is gonna be for my bathroom. Y'all about to see me put this up right now. I'm gonna order a bathroom set on Shein or Amazon because I went to like 3 different stores and none of them had pink. And that's what I need is pink because the bathroom is like gray and white and I don't want to keep doing gray. I need a pop of color. So I bought this just for right now because right now I don't have a shower mat. You guys, I bought this really cute Steve Madden bag. Like, look how cute this bag is. I literally love it. Got the bag. Had to get the bag. And then I bought me some True Religion house slippers. We got like little spots on them. That's cute. So you guys are about to see me decorate the rest of my bathroom right now. Shower didn't come with a shower rod, so I'm at Home Depot right now trying to get one. So right now in my bathroom, I'm about to finish decorating it right now. I just have the rug. This is the pole that I got from Home Depot. This is the rug straight when you come in the bathroom in front of the sink. You know, we got the mirrors. And now we're about to put this rod up in the shower. What you put one up already. I'm just about to put the rest up. So stinking cute. Love it. Couple more things to put up in here and I'm gonna be done. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is putting this pink shower liner in. And y'all, look how well these go together. I bought these together, but like, I don't know if they was from the same website. But that matches like perfect.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like the horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for making up. Found you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you. So I come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? You can have it, place on nothing. Take you there.
That completes the end of this video. If you guys would like to see a furnished house tour, make sure you comment down below. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe to see more content.
Show you something, give you more than once.